In this video I'm gonna show you the position of OBD connector, onboard diagnostic connector in the Nissan Quest 2001. It should also be similar for others. So you're gonna go down under the under this here, and you should see this white connector popping out. I'm gonna plug it in, bring it closer, and there's nothing you need to remove it or anything like that, and just you can use this OBD connector module. That's one OBD 2 module from BAFX product, and you can just plug it in this fashion. So, and then it should just work. And one of the drawbacks is that you cannot see the LEDs blinking on the other side, but if you hook it to your with your Android app, you should see everything there. Thanks for taking a look.